It is a big day today for the AAP, BJP and the Congress as they fight for the control of the unified civic body of Delhi. The counting of votes have begun at 42 centres across the capital. The BJP has ruled the civic body in Delhi for the last 15 years. Exit polls have predicted the Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party's victory by a big margin. But history and the facts prove that the exit polls' predictions go wrong many times. A total of 1,349 candidates contested the elections, the first since 3 civic bodies were unified earlier this year. In 2017, BJP had won 181 of the then 270 municipal wards, while AAP could secure only 48 and Congress finished third with 30. While AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal seems confident of a landslide victory in the polls, Delhi BJP General Secretary Dinesh Pratap Singh hopes to prove the exit polls wrong. We have hope that the results will prove the exit polls wrong and the BJP will return back to rule the MCD. However, we will accept whatever the results are, he said. The counting of votes began at 8 am and 68 election observers have been deployed by the Commission under whose supervision the counting of votes at the 42 centres will be carried out. 20 companies of paramilitary personnel and over 10,000 officers of Delhi Police have been deployed at the counting centres. Heavy police presence is ensured outside the offices of political parties to prevent clashes between activists of different parties. Delhi recorded a voter turnout of just 50.48% in the high-stakes poll held on December 4th. 51.03% of the male voters exercised their franchisee, while 49.83% of the female electorate voted. AAP has claimed that its work in Delhi has helped the people repose faith in them. The BJP, it claimed, has not been able to meet a basic parameter like cleaning up the city in 15 years. The leaders of the AAP have come under the scrutiny of the ED in the Delhi excise policy case, with Manish Sisodia grilled and Satyendra Jain behind the bars. Manish Sisodia, Deputy CM of Delhi, said, "This mandate will be a signal from Delhi to the whole country that AAP is a fiercely honest party. The BJP levelled fake allegations against me, ran a witch hunt against Satyendra Jain. But the people of Delhi have proven with their mandate that there was no scam in Delhi and all the allegations levelled by the BJP were false, motivated by conspiracy and dirty politics." BJP has posted a string of sting videos levying allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party of selling tickets and more. Insisting that he does not need to respond, Arvind Kejriwal had said MCD elections are becoming quite clear. It's BJP's 10 videos versus Kejriwal's 10 guarantees. Let's wait till December 4th. People of Delhi will give a reply to all those videos.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.